Assalamu alaikum, and this is Md Samsul Alam is with you. My dear learners, dear viewers, honorable guardians, and respectful educational audience, you are welcome to my today's online class. You know that due to the COVID-19 situation, the educational institutions all over the world remain closed, and all the educational institutions is trying to take their class online, and hence Atmul High School is started their online class, and so I am here with you. And today I am going to discuss a very important grammar topic for the students of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, this topic is very important for all level of English learners. So, my today's topic is verb to be. And after this lesson, we will be able to know the different forms of verbs, making simple sentences with be verb. We will be able to make short forms of be verb, and we will be also able to make interrogative and negative sentences. So, dear learners, at first look at the forms of to be verb. The first form is infinitive. The infinitive form is to be, and the use is I want to be a teacher. So the infinitive form of be verb is used here. Now look at the present form of be verb. There are three verbs in present forms, and they are am, is, are. Like I am a teacher. He is a student. And in past form, was and were is used. The first form of be verb is was and were. When I was a student in 2000. Now next one, future form. Future form is will be he will be a teacher next year. And the next form is present participle form, and present participle form is being. The dog is being naughty. So being is the present participle form of be verb, and another form of be verb is present participle form, and present participle form is been. I have been there for a year. So the been is the past participle form of be verb. So dear learners, we learn all the forms of be verb. So the first one is infinitive form, present form, past form, future form, present participle form, and last one is past participle form. Now we will learn how they use with the different person. And here is first person is I, and what we will use with I, we will use I am. Then he is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. Okay, dear learners, now we will learn the short form. I am, the short form of I am is I am. He is, short form is his. She is, short form is she's. It is, the short form is its. You are, the short form is you are. We are, the short form is we are. They are, the short form is they are. Now we will make short form when the sentence is negative. I am not. He is not. The short form is isn't. She is not. The short form is she is not, or she isn't. It is not. The short form is it's not, or it isn't. You are not. The short form is you are not, or you aren't. We are not. The short form is we are not, or we aren't. They are not. The short form is they are not, or they aren't. Okay, dear learners, now we will learn how to make a sentence interrogative. I am a student. He is a doctor. Now we will make these two sentences into interrogative. So what we have to do, when we will go to make interrogative sentence, we have to place the be verb before the subject. Like, am I a student? And you must have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Is he a doctor, and you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence, and the interrogative sentence is ready for you. So dear learners, I think you have learned all the forms of to be verbs, and now we are going to make some simple sentence with be verb. At first we will make some sentence with be plus number. I am 40 years old. He is 6 feet tall. They are 29. So we can make sentence with the numbers by using be verb. Okay, dear learners, now we'll make some sentence with be verb plus noun. He is a student. Student is noun here. So be plus noun. They are players. So be plus noun. And at last we will see some sentence with be plus adjective. So be plus adjective. She is honest. You are active. So honest, active, these are adjectives, and here is be verb. So be plus adjective. So dear learners, in our today's lesson, we learned different forms of be verb. We had made some simple sentences with be verb. We have learned the short forms of be verb, and we also learned how to make a sentence interrogative and negatives. I think you have listened to the class very carefully. If you have any problem, you can put message and inbox me so that we can solve it next time. So today our class is in this time. I will see you next day with another topic in another day. Till then, Allah Hafiz.